Now, if you remember previously, we created a blog or a couple of blogs. We created a blog page, but the trouble is when they're displayed by clicking on the blog page here, this stupid thing called uncategorized comes up. So what we want to do is fix this. What we do is we go back to here, the dashboard. We go back to posts, and remember I said there were subtle differences between posts and pages. Well, this is one of them. If I go to where it says categories, you can see that by default all posts go into a category, and unfortunately the default name for the default category is uncategorized, which is kind of stupid. So what I can do is I can create a new category, and again this is an SEO thing. Ideally you should give it a name that relates to your particular product, service, whatever. So I'm going to just call it SEO training, just as an example. So I'm now going to create a new category called SEO training, and you think, oh, maybe I can delete this, but no, I can delete this one, but not this one. The trouble is this is set up as a default, so there's another step I've got to do. What I've got to go is to settings, whoops. So I go to settings, writing, and can you see here the default post category is still uncategorized. If I change that to the new one I've just created, which is SEO training, and save that, now what I can do is I can go back to my posts, go back to categories, and now I can't delete this one because this is the default one, but I can delete this one. Are you sure? Yep. So it's now gone. So now if I go to the front end, and now if I go to where it says blog, as you can see, instead of the stupid uncategorized being displayed, it now displays basically whatever category I created. I could have as many categories as I want, but it's best to keep it simple, just keep one category. It's less confusing for Google that way. And I just simply click on this, and there you are, there's the March one. But no longer does it talk about anything being uncategorized, so it just kind of tidies it up.